So, exercise 6.4, fifth question. D, E and F are respectively the midpoints of the sides AB, BC and CA of a triangle ABC. Find the ratio of the areas of triangle DEF and triangle ABC. So in question, figure is not given, so you have to draw the figure. So first of all, one triangle is given ABC. ABC. And it is given that D is the midpoint of AB. D is the midpoint of AB. E is the midpoint of BC. And F is the midpoint of AC. Question is, what is the ratio of area of triangle DEF to the area of triangle ABC? Question is, what is the ratio of area of triangle DEF to area of triangle ABC? So for finding the ratio of these two triangles, we have to apply area theorem. For applying the area theorem, we want to prove that two particular triangles are similar. Which two triangle? This triangle DEF. This one DEF and triangle ABC are similar. So, for proving that two triangles are similar, you have to apply some results you studied in 9th class. Okay. So, if we consider this particular figure, D is the midpoint of one side, F is the midpoint of another side, then this DF with the line segment joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and is half of it. That theorem is called as midpoint theorem. Okay, so D and F are the midpoints of AB and AC. Therefore, by midpoint theorem, we can write DF is parallel to BC and DF is equal to half BC. Midpoint theorem. Okay, but when BC is parallel to DF, BE is also parallel to DF. So, DF parallel to BC means we can write DF parallel to BE. And DF is equal to half BC. Isn't it? Then, if we want, we can take the other pair. Other pair means D is the midpoint, E is the midpoint, then these two are also parallel. Okay, so if we consider like that, we are getting this particular figure is a parallel. Okay. So if you want, you write like this. What? Next side also we can consider, or you can consider E and F also. See, E and F are the midpoints of BC and AC. So we will get EF is parallel to AB, or we can tell that EF is parallel to BD. So what we got, you see? First of all, BE is parallel to DF. Now we got BD is parallel to EF. So what we can tell, BEFD is a parallelogram. Why it is a parallelogram? Two pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Two pairs of opposite sides are parallel. So it is a parallelogram. So it is a parallelogram means we can tell that angle B is equal to angle F. B and F are equal. Why? Opposite angles of a parallelogram always equal. Okay. Opposite angles of a parallelogram always equal. So similarly, if we take another part, we can tell that this also is a parallelogram. Which one? So we can write similarly DECF is also a parallelogram. So that is a parallelogram means D and C are equal. Angle D equal to angle C. Understood? So first we got these two equal. Now we got these two angles equal. Now we can prove that inside the triangle and the whole triangle are similar. So we are taking this as 1, this as 2. Now you see B. B, its corresponding angle F. D, B, then C I am writing its corresponding angle is D. So B over C over, then we are getting A. So ABC is similar to F over D over, next side is angle is C. So these two triangles are similar from 1 and 2 and A similarity criteria. Okay. So then these two triangles are similar means we can apply area theorem. So what is area theorem? Now we are going to apply area theorem. So area of triangle, which triangle? EFD divided by area of triangle ABC is equal to EF divided by AB whole square, or it is equal to DF divided by BC whole square. Okay, area theorem we are applying. Now you see what is DF? It is half BC. DF is equal to half BC. So here instead of DF I am writing half BC by BC whole square. BC and BC cancel. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. So area of triangle EFD. EFD means DEF triangle divided by area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 4, or the ratio is 1:4. So if the question figure is not given, so draw the figure, then apply the midpoint theorem. What is midpoint theorem? The line segment joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and is half of it. So the same result we are applying in another part, then we will get the particular quadrilateral is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Similarly, this is also a parallelogram. So these two angles are equal. Now we are getting two triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar means we can apply area theorem. What is area theorem? A ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So any side we can take. I am writing two written. So here DF and BC we already written here. So I written here, and DF place half BC by BC we can cut. So we will get 1/4.